everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. In today's video, we will look how to fix Bosch dishwasher error E61-01. What does E61-01 means? That dishwasher is not filling the water within the expected time. This can be caused by a water supply issue or a faulty water inlet. Here are the common cause: water tap is closed or water supply is turned off, blocked inlet filter, faulty water inlet valve, and also faulty flow meter. Then check the water pressure. Step 3. Check inlet hose. Make sure the hose is not twisted, blocked, or frozen. Straighten to the hose and remove any blend. Clean the inner filter. Throw off the tap. Unscrew the inlet hose from the tap. Remove the clean and small filter with water. Check the water inlet valve. If the valve is faulty, it may not open properly. Use a multimeter to check the continuity. Replace it if it defective. Check the flow meter. The flow meter monitor water intake. If it's faulty or blocked, E61-01 can appear. Check any and replace if need. Reset the dishwasher. Turn off the dishwasher. Press and hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds. Close the door and wait 1 minute. Turn the dishwasher on and run a short program. If the dishwasher is still not working, the problem may be with the control board. Check all wiring connection. If you are unsure, connect Bosch customer service or a qualified technician. You can also go to their official website for more help and connect. Important note is always turn off the water and unplug the dishwasher before checking apart. Improper pairs can cause leak or electrical issue. There are tips: clean the inlet filter every 2 or 3 months. Ensure the hose is not compressed behind the dishwasher. Always use the original inlet hose. I hope this guide helped you understand and fix the problem. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.